Looks like a container, yes, but not a 20-feet container. Hello friends, let's meet Voltgent VC688 mini container today. It's smaller than a standard 20-feet shipping container, so it can be containerized for ocean-going transport. Same rugged features, more efficient logistics. Inside the container, a Cummins KTA19G8A proven heavy-duty power, tuned for continuous power, paired with a stemboard S5L1D F4 alternator, robust and accurate. That gives you 625 kVA prime, the kind of capacity rental fleets and constructions. It uses PMG excitations for stable voltage under inductive flows. Think big. Multi-pile HVAC units, large lightning rigs, heavy compressors, factory or hospital support. That's where 625 kVA shines. Noise kept low. Thoughtfully acoustic designs keeps sound down to acceptable size levels, 75 dB at 7 meters. Control it from anywhere. GSM remote puts start or stop and alarms on your phone or tablets. Service is straightforward. Wide access, fast oil changes with the manual drain pump. Less downtime, less fuss. Move it fast because of the container structure with lift points, easy for movement. Mini container full-scale power. Need one for your project or fleet? Contact us today.